Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So it is Sunday morning and I figured I would just kind of take you guys along with me on my Sunday. Please excuse my appearance, I look a little crazy right now, but I really just kind of wanted to have like a very chill, relaxing Sunday, get me prepared for the upcoming week. My parents just left. They were in town this past weekend and so I feel like we just did a lot and I just need that recharge, and so I just figured I'd go ahead and vlog it for you guys. I just made myself some breakfast. So right here I did some breakfast potatoes and then I just have eggs and spinach, and then I have bacon right here that I'll be putting on top, and then I am still finishing up my coffee that I made this morning. And so yeah, just kind of having a very relaxing Sunday. It is 11:07 so it's kind of late in the morning, but I just kind of wanted, like I said, to have a relaxed morning. I have a candle burning going on right now. Also guys, it has confetti in the candle from my birthday last month and I just haven't taken it out because every time I burn it, it's just not coming out. So the confetti is staying in there forever. But yeah, I don't really know what today is going to be. I want to do some laundry. I might film my clothing haul video, might film some TikToks. Who really knows what's gonna happen? But all I know is I just wanna have a very relaxed, chill Sunday. So yeah, happy Sunday. I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. I did some laundry, and so I did my whites and other clothes, so they're just hanging on my drying rack. I have my sheets now in the dryer because I am also washing all of my sheets and my bedding and everything like that, and so my sheets are now in the dryer, and then now I need to go ahead and wash my comforter, which I hate doing because this is just so big and it takes forever to dry, but it is much needed. So that is what I am doing right now, just having a very productive day so far, just getting all of this done that I have pushed back on. And then I also want to do some more reading because I just started this book and I think I'm on page 70 or something like that, and it's really good so far, so I'm excited to keep reading that. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, just doing a bunch of laundry. It is a little bit later now and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am currently editing my video from this past weekend, and so I'm so happy that I'm actually editing it, because recently I feel I've been filming a bunch of vlogs but then I just don't edit them, so they're really outdated by the time that I post them. So I'm happy that I'm finally doing this fast turnaround. But so I'm editing this vlog from this past weekend. Like I said, it's a very fall vlog. I went to Cheekwood, was with my parents, that type of stuff. I have laundry going right now. And then once I finish editing this, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, do my makeup, do my hair, and film my fall haul video of a bunch of clothing items that I got. So it's a little bit later and I just threw on this really simple outfit. These are the Aerie crossover leggings, just some Air Force Ones, and then this sweatshirt is from Talentless. And I decided that I wanted to go on a little walk because I feel recently I have not been moving my body as much as I should be, and I'm so out of my whole workout routine, and so I really need to get back into it. And so I want to just quickly go for a 30-45 minute walk before I start filming and doing my makeup and everything. And so that is what I'm going to go ahead and do. I have my phone, my AirPods, and I think I'm just gonna listen to a podcast while I go for a walk. So yeah, that's the update, and I'm gonna go head off on a walk now. Alright, it is a little bit later. I just filmed my clothing haul video, and that is gonna... Why are cars so loud? I don't get it. But anyways, I just filmed my clothing haul, and so I'm so excited to edit that and get that up for you guys. That video will already be up before this one, so if you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. But right now it is 3 o'clock, and so I think I'm just going to try on all of these pieces for the try on part of the haul. And then I'm also going to make a TikTok as well with these items. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Still doing laundry. I am debating if I want to go to Target or not because I'm going to be in that area anyways tomorrow. So I'm wondering if I should just hold off until tomorrow. I don't really know yet. I haven't decided. So yeah, that is just a little update for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and finish filming all of this, putting it away because I literally have just had all of these clothes on my floor, and so I can't wait to finally like hang them up and have my floor be clean again. So all of a sudden I just like randomly got like super sad, and I have no idea why. Like I literally don't know why. And so dinner is about, like, I'm getting hungry for dinner, so I decided to order me Domino's because I was just sad. So I placed an order on Domino's. My mom gave me a gift card for my birthday. And so I used that, but can we just like take a moment to appreciate how good Domino's is? Like, oh my goodness, so good. I just get their cheese pizza, and then on the side I get, this is like really hard to open. Okay, on the side I get their cheesy bread. Like that is so good. Like, oh my goodness. Also, now that I just opened this, I realized they didn't give me my marinara sauce to dip in the pizza. I feel like it's literally like a game of like 50-50 if Domino's gives you your dipping sauce that you asked for, because they just like never give it to you, even though like you pay for it now. So whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my pizza. I'm also gonna watch the new season of You because it just came out on Friday. And so I'm gonna watch that, eat my pizza, and just have a very chill rest of the night. And honestly probably just like read my book, just to have like a very low-key night, and hopefully I snap out of this sadness because I don't know why I'm sad. So I just made my bed with all of my freshly washed sheets. I feel like there's no better feeling than going to bed at night with freshly made sheets. So love this for me. Also, fun fact, I actually make my bed every single morning. It's the first thing I do when I wake up in the morning, and yeah, I don't know. Love it. And so honestly, for the rest of the night, you guys, I am going to just read my book. Right now I am reading It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover, and you guys, this book is so good. I am almost done reading it, and so I want to try and go ahead and finish reading it tonight, and I can give you guys a little book review at the end of the vlog because I'm hoping to finish this because I'm almost done. But this book, you guys, is so good so far. It's like my favorite book that I have ever read. It is so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of have like a comfortable, cozy night in bed reading because that is what my life has come to. Good morning, guys. So it is the next morning. It is now Monday morning, and your girl is tired. I already went ahead and made me some coffee, and I just think this is so funny. So there's this like moonshine brand, and it's called Old Smoky, and I got like a jar of moonshine and drank all of it, and then I just kept the jar, and so now my my moonshine jar is my coffee jar in the morning, and I just think that it's so funny. And the lid and straw I just like already had because I think it's like universal for mason jars, where they just like fit on every mason jar, and my parents got it for me for like a while ago, and so yeah, fun fact. Anyways, I'm pretty much all ready for work. I just have to change my outfit, and so I have some time to film before I get going, but I wanted to do a little book review slash update to finish off the vlog for you guys. So I ended up finishing It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover last night, and oh my god, you guys, this book is amazing. It is so good. I really enjoyed it. So if you guys have not read it yet, you definitely should. I feel like this book like blew up on TikTok a little while ago, but it is so good. It is worth the hype. I really liked it. I like have never read a book as fast as I read this one, because I just wanted to know how it was gonna end. It just like kept me going, and I really liked it. But trigger warning, it does talk about domestic violence, so if that's something that you wouldn't be able to handle reading about, this book is not for you. But it's not too like gory or anything like that, so yeah, but it's really good. Would 100% recommend it. And so now after that book, I am going to be reading One Last Stop. For my birthday, my sister bought me this book, One Last Stop, and then another book, and so I'm excited to get going. I started reading a little bit of this again last night. I'm only on page like 26, but I'm excited to read it. It takes place in New York City, and right now I just like have this craving to go to New York City. I have no idea why, but I just have this craving and I want to go there soon, which I don't think is gonna happen, because whenever I'd go there, I'd visit my sister because she lived there, but she just moved out of the city, so now I don't have a person in the city anymore, which is so sad. But yeah, I'm excited to read this. I will keep you guys posted with how I like it so far, or once I'm done finishing reading it, but I'm excited to read it. So yeah, just wanted to finish off the vlog with a little book update. Anyways, I figured I would go ahead and end the vlog right here, and so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias. I will link them down below for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.